Hey everybody, it's your favorite real estate broker, Michael Pryor with the Pryor Group at Keller Williams, here to talk to you today about renovations. Having just gone through an extensive renovation in my house, I've learned a lot. Having been a renovator for about 4 years, I learned a lot there. And having seen my clients go through trials and tribulations, I've learned a lot there as well, and I'm happy to share it all with you. Just like most things, the more planning you do in advance, the better off your renovation's gonna be in the end. There are some things you cannot plan for, so always have a contingency plan. First step is you wanna set your goals. What are we trying to do here? Do you need to do a full gut job? Does it make sense that when you're renovating the kitchen and you need to redo the wiring, maybe you should rewire the whole house at that point? Because it may cost a little bit more in advance. It may increase your budget in the short term, but when you go to do that extra bedroom later, or you go to add an extra floor later, at least the wiring's already done. You don't have to break open whole walls again. Figuring out your budget. This is the tough part for most people. We're happy to help you with it. Or we have a link actually below that you can click on, and it gives you a very rough estimate of what your budget should be for each project. But the best way to do it is to get a few quotes. When you're getting estimates, it's always important, I always recommend to interview 3 people and do not necessarily go with the cheapest person who's just trying to get the job. A lot of times contractors will use a low estimate to get into the job and then add on and add on and add on, and they're also probably not the people you want working on your house anyway. In my experience, going with somebody who's got a great reputation, somebody who's got some proven projects has always been amazing. Look for their references, ask for references, go on Homestars and see if they're listed there. Do they have a 5-star rating, etc., etc. I'm always happy to recommend the people that I know and trust because I've had bad experiences, good experiences, and fantastic experiences. After you have your entire budget set out, I want to ask you kindly to put another 20 to 40% on. Why? 1, you're going to change your mind and changes cost money. 2, you're going to find some stuff that you didn't think was in the house. It's inevitable. And 3, the finishes that you're going to choose, you might end up choosing a higher end finish than you had originally thought you wanted. So you might want to budget for just a little bit more than you think you can afford. If the renovation is going to cost $100,000, maybe put 140 or know that you have 140 there to pay for it just in case. If you guys have any questions, you guys want to get hooked up with great professionals in the Toronto area, ones that I know, trust, and believe in, feel free to get in touch with me. I put some links below to a renovation estimator and the contractor who just did the full gut job in my house, and my house looks great. If you guys have any questions, feel free to get in touch with me directly, and if I don't hear from you, have yourself a great summer.